Is Microsoft PC Manager refusing to open on your Windows PC? This problem can happen because of outdated software, corrupted app files, background conflicts, or Windows system issues. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft PC Manager not opening in 2026. First, restart your computer. A simple reboot can close stuck background processes and resolve temporary system issues that may prevent Microsoft PC Manager from opening. After restarting, open Windows Update and install any available updates. Keeping Windows up to date helps ensure Microsoft PC Manager remains compatible with your operating system. Next, open Settings, go to Apps, find Microsoft PC Manager, and open Advanced Options. Try the repair option first. If the app still won't open, use Reset to restore it to its default state. Now try launching Microsoft PC Manager with administrator privileges. Right-click the application and choose Run as administrator to see if the issue is related to permissions. If the problem continues, uninstall Microsoft PC Manager, restart your computer, and then download and install the latest version from Microsoft's official website. This can replace missing or corrupted program files. Finally, make sure Windows Security or another antivirus program isn't preventing Microsoft PC Manager from launching. If necessary, review your security settings and allow the application if it's being blocked. And that's how to fix Microsoft PC Manager not opening in 2026. After updating Windows, repairing the app, or reinstalling it if necessary, Microsoft PC Manager should launch normally again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.